To begin using the Golden Nugget travel booking dashboard, simply select from the options below. To book flights, click Flights. Choose Round Trip, One Way, or Multi-City. Enter your departure airport, your arrival destination, the travel dates, the number of guests, and click Search. A list of available flights will be provided. A pop-up will appear asking if you wish to be notified of a ticket price drop. Enter your email or phone number to receive this notification and click Submit or X to exit out. Select your flight, enter your passenger information, first name, last name, date of birth is required, enter your known traveler number, pre-check, whether you'd like a refundable ticket, choose your seat, enter your billing details, and your payment information. Checkmark the box that you agree to the terms and conditions and click Continue and Book. Return to the main dashboard. Click Tickets to search local activities. Tickets are provided by our API partner, Tickets. Enter the country and the city location and click Search. A list of available activities with a picture and a brief description will be displayed. Select the activity you would like the tickets for and click Details. Here you can view more pictures and a full description. Click here for activity dates and times. Enter the date and the time slot. Checkmark the box. Enter the number of guests and click Save to Shopping Cart. You can proceed to the next screen by clicking Checkout or Proceed to Shopping Cart. Both will take you to this screen. A summary of the items in your checkout will be displayed. Enter your first name, last name, and address. Enter your credit card information. Read the terms and conditions here and check mark that you agree to them. Click Confirm and Proceed. Your order is complete. To book transfers, click the icon Transfers. Transfers are provided by our API partner, Carry International. Carry provides pickup and drop-offs and professional chauffeur services. Select the service, which will be home to airport, airport to hotel, hotel to airport, or airport to home. Enter your pickup address. You can load it from Google Maps. Enter your flight date, flight time, the airline, the flight number, and the departing airport. This time will be auto-calculated. The minutes prior to your departing flight will default to 120, which you can change. And click Search. A list of available vehicles will appear with the baggage capacity and the number of passengers the vehicle can hold. Select Book Now to book the transfer. Enter your contact information and your credit card information. Click Pay and Book Now. Your item has been purchased.
After it's been completed, It'll take you to your personal dashboard. Right here is now your personal dashboard that you can, if you're on a iPhone, you can click this button and install it on your home page to add it. So you can always have it at any time that you need to use it. You can click your order details. It'll give you your name, your order dashboard number, your order status. You can view the purchased items. You can also download the order receipt. So it'll give you your information. It'll save it to a PDF. And here you can book anything, like I said, that you book that goes on your orders. You can go to your email. It'll let you know that here's your confirmation for your transferred service from Carrie with all your information. For some reason, if you need to cancel it, it's really easy. All you have to do is hit cancel reservations. It'll take you to the portal where your reservation is being held. If you don't need it, you can cancel the reservation. Yes. Let you know it's successfully been canceled, and that there's no fees assessed. And now you can go back to your email and you'll actually have a cancellation from Carrie that you've canceled your reservations on the transferred services. Also, when you completed the very first one, the system will email you your own personal Golden Nugget dashboard is. All you have to do is hit the link and it'll take you to it. And it's that simple.